Hi friends, welcome to my channel Viva's Videos. Today once again I am going to show you a healthy dish. As you all know, we have already eaten pizzas, but the base of the pizza is something that is made of maida, which is not so healthy according to me. So today I'll teach you another nice amazing dish, pizza paratha. So you can all have a look at how I make it. Here we have 2 chopped onions and 6 tomatoes. 2 sliced onions with me, which I am going to put in the pan with little bit of oil, say 1 teaspoon. That's it. That will be the oil I will put it in. That's it. We don't need too much oil for this recipe since it's a healthy recipe. I have a pod of garlic. I have peeled it and kept. It is an entire pod that you get. I'm going to finely chop this and add to the onions. We need a lot of garlic for this recipe, so I'm going to just make it a fine chop. It could be little thicker also, doesn't matter, because as it is we are going to grind the whole thing. This is basically your pizza sauce. So we are just going to put this garlic, the entire amount of garlic in this. We have put all the entire garlic in this, and now we have to cook the onions till they get a bit transparent. Do not brown the onions because that is not what is required for the sauce. We'll just cook it little bit. Onions are done now, and I'm going to add a dash of red chili powder. Say 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to this mixture, and just rotate it once. I have about 6 chopped tomatoes here. I will be adding that to this mixture. I have some tomato sauce here. I will be adding about 4 tablespoons, big tablespoons of tomato sauce to this. And I'll be adding some salt. Salt is as per your taste. About 2 teaspoons is fine according to me. And I'm going to cover this mixture and let it cook for some time till the tomatoes are very well cooked and all the moisture has gone away from the tomatoes. This is very important, my dear friends, because otherwise your sauce will not stay on the base. While our pizza sauce is cooking, friends, we can chop some vegetables and keep. Like I have chopped here and kept tomatoes, green capsicum, red capsicum, yellow capsicum and some mushrooms. You can use whatever you want for toppings. You can use baby corn, you can use shelled corn, whatever. I'll be adding some seasoning to this. I have some salt here first. You have to add salt to the seasoning, to the toppings. Also, I have with me some chili flakes, which I am adding to the topping, friends. This is very important. Since we are Indians, we do not like very bland food. I have some oregano here, which I'll be adding again as a topping. Let's have a look at our sauce in the meantime, friends. I have kept it on the high flame for 5 minutes. The tomato has cooked. As we can see, it gets mashed very easily. But I need the moisture to evaporate from this. So again for 5 more minutes, I'll be leaving it on the high flame. While our sauce is being cooked, friends, I'm making 2 chapatis, 2 thinly rolled chapatis. We need this for the pizza paratha. One on top and one for the base. So I'll just make 2 chapatis and I'll keep it ready. These could be stale chapatis also. You can use leftover chapatis and make this. So our cooked pizza sauce looks like. And now I'm going to cool it and put it in a mixer grinder to grind it. Grind it to a fine paste. Ground our pizza sauce to a fine paste. I'm removing it in a bowl. Rotis and kept, friends. These are my 2 rotis which I'll be putting on the tawa. I'm using some butter on one side. Can you hear the sizzle? I'm going to spread our pizza sauce on this like we do on the pizza, regular pizza. You can spread a nice thick layer so that it doesn't taste dry. I have my pizza toppings ready. So I will first put some green capsicum. You can put the vegetables of your choice. Some red capsicum which we have seasoned and kept all these vegetables. Some yellow capsicum. Some mushrooms. I have some grated cheese here, which I'll be spreading on this. You have to keep the fire very slow, friends, so that your chapati does not burn. You can use mozzarella cheese, pizza cheese, Amul pizza cheese, or your regular cheese, any of the 3. I'll be covering this with a chapati that I have made. And I will also just press it little bit so that it becomes like a paratha. And spread some butter on it, and I will flip the side. Isn't it amazing, guys? You don't need to wait. To get pizza bread or a pizza base. One side is done, and there we go with the other side. I'm going to press it lightly so that the cheese spreads well. I'm going to remove this in a plate, and we can cut it into pieces with our pizza cutter. Our pizza paratha is ready to eat, friends. I hope you like the recipe. If you like it, please subscribe, like my videos, and share them. Please press the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get an intimation whenever I put a video.